Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the PlayStation application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install the PlayStation app on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator, as a PC version of the application is not available. So open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This is an Android emulator that you can download right from the homepage by clicking on the download button. Once the file is downloaded, open it up and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator. After the emulator is installed, you will gain access to your Android home screen. From here, click on System Apps and then open up the Play Store. You will first need to log in using your Google ID, and after logging in, just tap on the search button and then search for the PlayStation application. Once you find the application, you can just tap on the Install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the PlayStation application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will find a shortcut on your desktop which you can double click in order to directly access the application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PlayStation application on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the PlayStation application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in and search for the PlayStation application. Once you find the application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the PlayStation application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. And once you open up the application, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the PlayStation application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PlayStation app on your smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country or region, and then you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now you will find the create an account button, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking on this option, you will now see the create button. After clicking on this, just choose your country or region, and then select your desired language. Then click on the next button, and then enter your date of birth. Click on next once again, and you will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. Type in your desired email address and then enter your desired password for your account. Then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on next. You will now be asked to verify your account. Now just enter your online ID that you wish to set up for your account and then enter your first and your last name. Finally, click on next, and now you can choose to receive email as well as console notifications if you wish to do so. Finally, click on agree and create account and then click on OK when you see the check mark. Now, one last step that you will need to take is to verify your email address. So check in within your inbox and you will find an email from Sony. Click on the verify now button, and after clicking on this, your email address will be verified. You can click on already verified if you see this screen, and now your PlayStation account is ready to be used. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on PlayStation. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. Just choose your country first, and now you will see the sign in button. Click on it at the top right corner, and now you will be prompted to enter your email address or your user ID. You can type in either one of these and then click on the next button. And now you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your password that you have set while creating your account and then click on the sign in button. And now this will log you in to your PlayStation account right away. And after logging in, you will be taken back into the home page once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on PlayStation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method onto your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. From the homepage, just choose your country and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After logging in, if you wish to add a payment method onto your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Payment Management. You will now see your payment settings window. Go ahead and click on Add Payment Method, and you will now see the Add a Credit or Debit Card option. Go ahead and click on it, and you can now enter your card credentials. You may also choose your card type by clicking on the Edit button. After choosing your card type, just enter your card number followed by the cardholder's name. Then enter the expiration month and year followed by the CVV or security code number. Finally, click on the Next button, and now your credit or debit card will be added after your credentials have been verified. And now you will be able to use this card in order to make various payments within your PlayStation account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your PlayStation account. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds onto your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country and you will now be taken into the homepage. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to add funds to your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Settings. From here, click on Payment Methods and then click on Continue. And now you will see the Add Funds as well as the Add Payment Methods option. Go ahead and click on Add Funds, and you will need to choose a payment method or add one if you haven't added one already. Either choose your credit or debit card or add a new one by entering the credit or debit card number followed by the cardholder's name and the expiration month and year. Also enter the CVV or the security code number and then tap on the Next button. Once your payment method has been added, you will be allowed to choose your desired amount of funds that you wish to load onto your account. And after choosing your amount and proceeding forward, this amount will be added onto your PlayStation account right away, and you will now be able to use this fund to make transactions and buy games as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.